guys, it's Lauren with Lockhart Tactical, and today we're going to be talking about the SIRT Training Pistol Kit by Next Level Training. As you know, the shooting sport is extremely technical with a lot of skill fade. So how do you keep up on your training without having to physically go to your local gun club? With this kit, you can keep yourself at the top of your game by being able to use it when you can't go to the range. Plus, it's virtually free once you buy it because you don't have to purchase ammunition just to shoot it. When you're checking out this item, you can choose between a featherlight polymer model or a metal one that has a more realistic weight and feel to it. Alright, so let's take a look. So if you're looking for a more realistic training tool, this metal model is definitely your guy. But if you're looking to save some money and you don't care as much about aesthetic, I would definitely go with your polymer model here. You can also choose to have 2 red shot lasers or 1 green, 1 red shot laser. The green laser does add a bit to the cost. However, if you plan on using it outdoors, green will help you a lot more as it's more easily visible to the eye than the red is. The first laser is activated once you start to apply pressure to the trigger. This is super handy for when you are teaching someone about safe handling and proper trigger manipulation. The second laser indicates the shot. You can deactivate the first laser with this lever here on top of the slide. The training kit comes with the pistol itself, 1 magazine, an owner's manual, a trigger adjustment tool, a laser windage, and an elevation adjustment tool. You're probably wondering what SIRT is. It stands for Shot Indicating Resetting Trigger. It was developed by shooters for shooters to complement, not replace, live fire training. The training pistol brings together a host of patent-pending technologies that are critical to improving shooting accuracy while addressing issues of cost and liability. It simulates the size, weight, and functional features of a real pistol, and it also works with most holsters. The lasers are battery-powered. One CR123 battery will last for over 500,000 shots. The auto resetting trigger allows for a significantly greater number of quality trigger pulls during a training session. This pistol is safe, effective, innovative, and it's civilian legal, which means you don't require a firearms license to own one. Even more than that, it's a lot of fun and it's affordable. So go to our website right now at lockharttactical.com to purchase one today. If you are active or veteran military personnel, law enforcement, EMS, Coast Guard, or any other type of serving member, go to lockharttactical.com/honor to register for our honor program today. The application is totally free, so enjoy your benefits. We at Lockhart Tactical thank you from the bottom of our hearts for your commitment and your service. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video, comment down below, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends. Also, if there's a review or tutorial that you want to see done by me, don't hesitate to comment it down below or send it to us via private message or email. This has been Lauren with Lockhart Tactical, over and out.